Welcome back to Mindscope. Today, we're diving into a fascinating world of groundbreaking ideas and technological marvels. These are the 20 incredible inventions that promise to change the way we live, work, and experience the future. From urban mobility solutions that defy gravity to sustainable innovations that protect our planet, these cutting-edge technologies are paving the way for a better tomorrow. Whether it's self-healing materials, smart farming, or even personal flying cars, these inventions prove that the future is closer than we think. So, grab a seat and get ready to be amazed as we explore how ingenuity and science are reshaping our world. Let's dive in. Pegasus, the flying car revolution. Imagine being stuck in traffic, frustrated as you inch forward, but then you switch gears, literally, and take to the skies. Enter the Pegasus, a hybrid between a car and a helicopter, designed to address the urban traffic crisis. This incredible vehicle can transition seamlessly from road to air, offering unprecedented mobility. On the ground, the Pegasus can achieve speeds of up to 120 km/h, with a range of 420 km per charge. When traffic becomes unbearable, a simple activation of its propellers transforms it into a flying marvel, cruising through the skies at speeds of up to 160 km/h. Its ability to remain airborne for 3 hours makes it a practical solution for both urban and intercity travel. With plans to produce 900 units annually by the 2030s, Pegasus could redefine transportation. This ambitious project raises questions about its feasibility, but if successful, it could mark a turning point in how we navigate congested urban environments. Are you ready to embrace the future of flying cars? GoSun, solar-powered mobility redefined. The surge in electric vehicle (EV) sales, 13.6 million in 2023 alone, has created a demand for innovative charging solutions. Enter GoSun, a solar-powered charging device that attaches to your car's roof, harnessing the power of the sun to keep your EV running. This groundbreaking device adds an extra 48 kilometers of range per day, making it an invaluable tool for urban drivers and eco-conscious travelers. Installation is effortless, and its portability means you can deploy it almost anywhere in under a minute. In its initial pre-orders, GoSun garnered over $2 million in just 45 days, proving its immense potential. As urban areas grapple with the infrastructure challenges of EVs, GoSun provides a sustainable and efficient alternative. It bridges the gap between renewable energy and everyday practicality, paving the way for a cleaner, greener future. Photokite Sigma, revolutionizing emergency response. The Photokite Sigma drone system takes aerial surveillance to new heights, literally. Designed for emergency responders, this tethered drone can climb up to 45 meters and remain airborne for 24 hours, offering uninterrupted coverage during critical situations. Unlike traditional drones, the Photokite Sigma is tethered to a power source, ensuring a consistent energy supply. It can be operated by anyone, even those with no technical expertise, as launching and landing require just the push of a button. With advanced thermal and conventional cameras, the Sigma transmits real-time data to up to 20 devices, enabling coordinated responses. From firefighting to law enforcement, this drone is a game changer, allowing teams to assess situations quickly and effectively. Its ability to zoom in on minute details using its 16x hybrid zoom makes it an indispensable tool for modern-day rescue operations. Liquid metal polymers, a step towards sci-fi realities. What once seemed confined to sci-fi movies like Terminator 2 is now a reality. Researchers have developed a polymer with properties akin to liquid metal. It can heal itself when cut or damaged. This revolutionary material has the potential to transform industries. Within just 2 hours at room temperature, the polymer can fuse back together, restoring 97% of its original strength. This innovation has immediate applications in automotive, construction, and electronics industries, where durability and flexibility are paramount. Imagine a future where damaged car bumpers or broken devices can repair themselves overnight. This material not only reduces waste, but also extends the lifespan of products, making it a sustainable alternative for manufacturers worldwide. Vario Teleport, virtual reality beyond imagination. While teleportation of humans remains a fantasy, Vario Teleport brings spaces to you. virtually. This cutting-edge technology scans real-world environments and reconstructs them into virtual locations that can be explored through VR headsets or browsers. Using a specialized app, users can scan rooms, streets, or even entire landscapes. These scans are then transformed into detailed virtual models, accessible from any Windows or Mac device. Whether you're designing interiors, exploring new destinations, or simulating training environments, Vario Teleport bridges the gap between physical and digital worlds. For those eager to try this innovation, an iPhone 12 Pro or newer is required, and early access is already in high demand. With applications ranging from education to entertainment, Vario Teleport is shaping how we interact with the world around us. Solar Amber 4000. Robotic street cleaning. Say goodbye to manual street cleaning with the Solar Amber 4000, a solar-powered robotic vacuum designed to tackle urban waste. Tested on the streets of Austin, Texas, this machine collected over 91 kilograms of trash in just one day. With a massive 2-meter diameter and powered by 600-watt solar panels, the Solar Amber 4000 operates at speeds of 19 km/h, efficiently cleaning public spaces. It can carry up to 50 kilograms of waste, making it both practical and eco-friendly. As cities worldwide face growing waste management challenges, innovations like the Solar Amber 4000 provide a sustainable solution. Its ability to operate autonomously not only reduces labor costs, but also contributes to cleaner, greener urban environments. Skydeck, luxury in the skies. The Skydeck concept takes air travel to new heights, literally. This transparent capsule, installed in the tail section of aircraft, offers passengers panoramic views of the skies. Whether you're flying in a small business jet or a large airliner, the Skydeck promises a unique travel experience. Safety is a priority, with the capsule designed to withstand bird collisions and other airborne challenges. For larger planes, an elevator provides access to the capsule, adding an element of exclusivity. Airlines are expected to charge a premium for these seats, turning the Skydeck into a luxury feature for high-end travelers. As the aviation industry evolves, innovations like the Skydeck could redefine what it means to fly in style. From breathtaking views to unparalleled comfort, this invention sets a new standard for air travel. IGS vertical farming, revolutionizing agriculture. In a world facing food scarcity and environmental challenges, IGS vertical farming offers a sustainable solution. Using modular towers equipped with AI-controlled systems, this technology doubles or even triples crop yields while using half the energy of traditional methods. These towers, reaching heights of up to 12 meters, optimize lighting, ventilation, and temperature, creating ideal growing conditions for a variety of crops. Additionally, they feature UV sterilization and condensation collection systems, ensuring efficiency and sustainability. From leafy greens to berries, vertical farming is the future of agriculture. As global populations grow, innovations like IGS vertical farming provide a scalable and eco-friendly way to feed the world. Archimedes Wave Swing, harnessing ocean energy. The Archimedes Wave Swing transforms the motion of ocean waves into electricity, offering a clean and sustainable energy source. Anchored to the ocean floor, this buoy-like device uses wave pressure to generate power, with testing showing an average output of 10 kilodolars and peak capabilities of 80 kilodolars. As waves push and pull the buoy, linear motion is converted into rotational energy, which is then transformed into electricity. Future models aim to produce up to 500 kiloballars, making the Archimedes Wave Swing a viable option for renewable energy grids. This technology not only diversifies energy sources, but also leverages the vast potential of our oceans. It's a significant step toward a sustainable energy future. Artificial floating islands, restoring aquatic ecosystems. Artificial floating islands are more than just a beautiful addition to water bodies. They actively clean and restore aquatic ecosystems. Built from polymer matrices and planted with vegetation like vetiver, these islands remove harmful substances such as ammonia and phosphates from the water. The deep roots of vetiver, which can grow up to 4 meters, enhance water filtration while providing habitats for birds and other wildlife. In regions like West Africa, similar plants are used to purify drinking water, showcasing their versatility. These floating islands represent a simple yet effective way to address water pollution. By combining ecological benefits with aesthetic appeal, they offer a sustainable solution for preserving our planet's most precious resource. Moving on capsules. Luxury public transit, redefined. What if public transportation was not just practical, but also luxurious? The Moving On capsule, envisioned by designer Marko Petrovic, transforms the image of public transit. This sleek, 6-seater electric capsule combines functionality with elegance, running on solar panels and following predetermined routes like a traditional bus. Imagine a world where brands like Audi or BMW produce these capsules, turning public transit into a status symbol. Equipped with high-end materials and premium features, these capsules could revolutionize urban mobility. With their efficient design and zero emissions, they align perfectly with the growing demand for sustainable transportation solutions. By making public transit desirable, the Moving On capsules aim to reduce congestion and pollution. They offer an innovative approach to solving urban traffic woes while elevating the experience of daily commutes. SimSoft Train Simulator, mastering railways with AI. Train operation requires precision, and the SimSoft Train Simulator takes training to the next level. This advanced simulator recreates realistic train cabins and routes, complete with physical controls like levers and buttons, making the experience as authentic as possible. What sets this simulator apart is its adaptability. It accommodates various rail systems, from urban metros to inner-city trains, and integrates dynamic weather effects like fog, rain, and snow. AI algorithms enhance the experience, providing real-time feedback and recording sessions for detailed post-training analysis. With this innovative tool, train operators can refine their skills in a controlled environment, ensuring safer and more efficient rail systems. It's a prime example of technology empowering industries to improve safety and performance. Pulsefire LRT Flamethrower, a fiery statement. The Pulsefire LRT Flamethrower isn't just a tool, it's a statement. Weighing only 2.7 kilos, this handheld device can shoot flames up to 7.6 meters, making it a unique gadget for various uses. Initially gaining attention through social media, it has sparked curiosity and debate. Built with a robust design, the flamethrower is more than a novelty. It can be used for agricultural clearing, snow melting, or even controlled burns. With a price tag of $630, it's marketed as both functional and fun, appealing to enthusiasts and professionals alike. While its use requires responsibility, the Pulsefire LRT showcases how inventive designs can redefine conventional tools. It's a fiery blend of practicality and spectacle. In motion, E20, the unicycle reinvented. For thrill seekers and urban explorers, the InMotion E20 electric unicycle offers an exhilarating ride. Powered by a 900W motor, this unicycle reaches speeds of up to 20 km/h and travels 30 kilometers on a single charge, making it ideal for city commutes or leisurely rides. Its compact design features built-in Bluetooth speakers, allowing riders to enjoy music on the go. Despite its affordable price of $400, the E20 doesn't compromise on performance. It's user-friendly, making it accessible to beginners while still delivering the excitement experienced riders crave. The InMotion E20 redefines personal mobility with its innovative design and functionality. It's a step toward making alternative transportation both fun and practical. Archimedes Wave Swing, tapping into ocean energy. The Archimedes Wave Swing is a groundbreaking wave energy converter that transforms the motion of waves into electricity. Anchored to the ocean floor, this buoy-like device utilizes wave pressure to generate power, boasting a peak output of 80 kWh during testing. Designed for depths of 25 meters or more, the wave swing is highly efficient and environmentally friendly. It's part of a growing trend to harness renewable energy from natural sources. The device's modular design allows for scalable deployment, paving the way for widespread adoption. As global energy demands increase, innovations like the Archimedes wave swing demonstrate the potential of sustainable solutions. It's a testament to how technology can harmonize with nature to meet our needs. Brooker H90 Hyperspectral Analysis Redefined. The Brooker H90 takes remote monitoring to new heights, offering hyperspectral analysis capable of detecting harmful gases from kilometers away. Designed for industrial and security applications, it identifies the composition, origin, and size of hazardous emissions with unmatched precision. Equipped with a high-resolution camera, the H90 overlays hyperspectral data onto video feeds, providing real-time insights. Its ability to scan 16 frames per second ensures comprehensive monitoring, making it invaluable for factories, environmental agencies, and even counter-terrorism operations. This advanced tool highlights the role of cutting-edge technology in protecting public health and safety. It's a powerful ally in maintaining environmental and industrial standards. Snail robots, nature-inspired engineering. Inspired by the humble snail, researchers at the Chinese University of Hong Kong have developed snail robots with incredible capabilities. Using suction cups and magnets, these robots can attach to surfaces and even link together to form structures like bridges or robotic arms. While their movement is slow, their collective functionality is impressive. In disaster scenarios, these robots could assist rescue teams by navigating tight spaces and creating pathways. Their modular design makes them adaptable to various tasks, showcasing the potential of bio-inspired engineering. The snail robots exemplify how observing nature can lead to innovative solutions. They remind us that sometimes, slow and steady truly wins the race. IBM Modular Quantum Computers, a leap in computing. In 2023, IBM unveiled the world's first modular quantum computer, marking a new era in technology. This system, featuring the advanced Heron processor, is 5 times more accurate than its predecessors, capable of solving complex problems in minutes that would take classical computers thousands of years. The modular design allows for scalability, making it suitable for a range of applications, from scientific research to financial modeling. Its Quantum System 2 also integrates an advanced software kit, accelerating certain tasks by up to 5 times. IBM's innovation isn't just a leap in computing, it's a glimpse into the future of problem solving. It opens doors to advancements in medicine, artificial intelligence, and beyond. Artificial floating islands, a natural solution. Artificial floating islands are designed to combat water pollution while providing habitats for wildlife. Constructed with polymer matrices and planted with vetiver grass, these islands filter harmful substances like ammonia and phosphates from water. Vetiver's deep roots, reaching up to 4 meters, enhance filtration and stabilize the islands. These floating ecosystems also attract birds, creating a harmonious balance between environmental restoration and biodiversity. As urbanization threatens aquatic habitats, floating islands offer a practical and visually appealing solution. They are a testament to how technology and nature can work together to address ecological challenges. Solar bubble dryers, revolutionizing agriculture. Drying crops efficiently is critical for farmers, and the solar bubble dryer offers a sustainable solution. Developed by GrainPro and supported by the International Rice Research Institute, this system speeds up the drying process while reducing microbial activity, extending the storage life of crops. Resembling a large bubble, the dryer uses solar energy to create an optimal environment for grain drying. With a drying area of up to 50 square meters, it's both cost-effective and scalable. Farmers can even build homemade versions, making this technology accessible worldwide. The solar bubble dryer is a game changer for agricultural communities, ensuring better yields and reducing post-harvest losses. Closing thoughts. With each of these groundbreaking innovations, the world edges closer to a future filled with promise and progress. Which one do you think will have the biggest impact on our lives? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Mindscope for more inspiring stories of innovation and technology shaping our world.